One day Tsuro was walking in the forest, consuming his freshly baked bread, when he stumbled upon a cow dung beetle rolling a ball of foul-smelling cow dung. Feeling pity for it, he decided to help it with a piece of fresh bread. To his surprise, the beetle rejected the bread and chose its smelly cow dung ball instead. Unlike what you are thinking, people who act like cow dung beetles are often characterized by relentless, focused, and sometimes messy industriousness, mirroring the insect's behavior of turning waste into a valuable resource. Dung beetles are relentless workers who often roll the immense balls of dung up hills, only for them to fall back down, a behavior that echoes the myth of Sisyphus. In essence, acting like a dung beetle is, despite the unappealing imagery, a testament to high-effort, transformative, and crucial work that others might avoid. Everyone is on his or her own path to success. Never judge them by their appearance. You never know how much effort and sacrifices they have put to be where they are. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Tsuro Studios.